Hello everyone, it's February again, which is tax season in Korea. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to download your year-end tax settlement from HOMETAX, which is the Korean government tax website. This video is going to be the first in a new series from Korean Gem, where I'm going to show you how to use some of the most important apps and websites in Korea. So if you work in Korea, you have to do a year-end tax adjustment at the end of each financial year. And in most cases, the accountant at your workplace will do most of the work for you, but you do have to download some documents from HOMETAX to give to them in order for them to do this. Okay, let's get started. So first you need to go to hometax.go.kr. This whole site has been given a bit of a facelift recently. It's all been updated. So if you have done this before, things might look a little bit different. Before you do anything else, you need to log in. The login section is really clear now. If you're going to be using HOMETAX a lot, it might be worth making an account, which you can do by clicking on 회원 가입 in the right corner here. But today we're just going to look at the easiest and quickest way to log in, which is to click on this light blue button. You'll see that you now have 5 different options for login. And if you go to the one on the far right side, 비회원 login, that's guest login. Then down below, you need to enter your name where it says 성명. You need to enter your name exactly as it is written on your residence card. So your family name first and in all caps. And then where it says 주민등록번호, you need to enter your ID number and then check the 2 consent boxes at the bottom. Then there's 2 different options. If you have a security certificate, for example, one that you use for internet banking, you can click here, find your certificate, and then enter the password, and it should let you log in. But today, we're going to go for 간편 인증, which is going to use a third-party app to verify your identity. Now you should see this pop up, which has all the different third-party apps that you can use to log in. There's various banking apps, 하나, 우리, 국민, 농협, 신한, and there's also some other applications, Naver, Pass, KakaoTalk. So I recommend just choosing one of these that you already have an account for, because that will be much quicker. Just as an example, I'm going to use Pass. So you can see that my name and birthday is already there because I entered that on the last page. I just need to enter my phone number and then check the consent boxes at the bottom, and then click the blue button at the bottom, which says 인증 요청. The next step is going to vary a little bit depending on which app you chose, but you are going to use your phone to verify your identity using that app. And once you've done that on your phone, but not before, you can click this blue button which says 인증 완료. If you try to click this button before you've completed the verification process on your phone, you're just going to get an error message and it won't work. If everything went well, you should now be logged in as a guest, and you should be able to see this guest member menu. You need to find the simplified year-end tax settlement, 연말정산 간소화. Click on that and then click on the option at the top. If you see this page, then just click on the big blue button at the bottom and you're in. And this page shows all the different tax deductions that you can get. I'm not going to go into it in much detail now, but if you hover your mouse over each section, it will translate it into English. You can see there's health insurance, pension, other insurance, medical fees, education fees, credit cards, debit cards, cash. And all you need to do is just click on the button with the magnifying glass in each section, and an amount should appear. At the top of the page, you have the option to display or not to display your personal information, such as your name and your ID number. And you also have the option to password protect your file. If you do choose to password protect it, just click here and then enter a password. Once you've clicked on all the sections and chosen the options that you want, you can download the file as a PDF here, or you can print it here. If you click on the 내려받기 button to download, this page should appear. Just check that all the sections you want are selected. It's going to automatically omit any sections which have 0 balance, and then just click on the blue button and your file should download. If you want to print, it works exactly the same way. And that's it. Your documents are ready to submit to your employer. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that was helpful. Good luck, and I hope you get a lot of money back this year. See you soon.